Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Stock Pivots pre-market analysis. Let's dive into key market insights. Today, we'll start with S&P 500. We are still bullish. Candle is pushing higher and higher. All candle forming, opening and closing higher high. Means we are maintaining the 9 EMA. Market is in price discovery. Will continue to be higher unless the first candle goes down. This was the fake 4 or 5 days back. That was the fake breakout. But what is happening right here? If you look at the internal supply, this one weakening, supply has almost ended. So next time here, whenever the market will sell, it sell in 10 days, it sell in 20 days, 30 days, no one knows. But whenever it will sell a big time because this weakening supply has ended. So what was the reason here? If you look at the market, so there was a strong demand, weakening supply. So what will happen? The demand will weaken moving forward and the supply will take over. So whenever the market will sell off, I cannot say today, tomorrow, but whenever it will sell, there will be a big drop in the market. Okay, so make sure you know that the weakening supply has ended 1, 2, and 3, and the next time there will be a big supply right here. All right, so I'm expecting the wicks to shoot up tomorrow. We'll go to the wicks and then we'll discuss. Okay, so right now we are bullish when we are in the market. We are holding the bullish outlook. Market is continuing pushing higher, nothing to worry about. But whenever the sell-off comes, right away we'll be shorting the market because there will be a big drop in the market. Moving forward to AI, we are waiting for the retracement. We traded this stock from right in this area, from 20 area all the way to 26, 21. This is what we were looking at. After this area, we took the exit and now we are waiting for the pullback. What we are looking at, it's not going back to 20 area. We'll be looking at 2288. There will be a long wick in this area outside of the linear regression channel. The continue candle, this one, you'll see multiple red candle moving forward, but then you'll see a liquidity sweep right in this area. What we are looking at, we are looking at this point, this previous low, this one, right in this area. So right here, the market will come back 2288 and then shoot up towards 30 again. So we will put it on a watch list now. We'll be watching it. Any drop on the AI stock, we'll be adding it to our portfolio around most likely 23 plus few cent. That's the area that we'll start adding this position right in this area. 2288 is the price target, but there will be a long wick. Will not be able to catch. So something like this will happen. If you look at this wick, you see this wick, something like this will be repeated right here, and you will not be able to catch the bottom, even if you have a limit order, because that will go so quick. So what we'll do around the point of control line, which is at 2407, anything below this line and between 2288, we'll start adding our position in this area. So 24.07 is our buy zone, and we'll continue buying downwards. Till then, we are just watching. AI, we are waiting for the pullback. Again, similar situation on the Tempest AI. This resistance right here, if you see the black line on the top, there are two trend lines. One is this one, the minor one, and this is the major one. The minor one had a breakout upside, means the price is pushing. There will be a rejection on the Fibonacci level. This major trend line is precisely sitting at 0.5, which is the golden zone of the Fibonacci level. So the market will go up and then retrace. What we are looking for the retracement towards 200 EMA retest around 54 area, 54, 55 area. This is where we'll be buying Tempest AI. Till then, again, Tempest AI is on the watch list. We made enough money on the Tempest AI and we are out of trade. Okay, so AI, Tempest AI, both are on the watch list from now onward. Okay, moving forward, we are scalping on MSTR right now. Okay, we'll keep trading small trade on day trade and mainly overnight swing. What we are looking at, we are looking for 358 area, right in this area. Not this candle. What will happen right here? You will have a positive angle, something like this. Let me find you that. Where is that tool? Right here. So you will see the price will never come to this point because this is where the buyer is sitting. So this is something positive angle. So the price will go in wave B right here, a little bit of upside, then again drop, but it will stay above this candle. It will not take down this liquidity because here the liquidity is not at this candle. It's here, this red candle. This is where the liquidity is. So it will take down this particular candle right in an area of 372, but it will never go to 357. So most people want to buy at 357. Their order will never fill, but right in this area, 380 area, or 375 area. This is where the liquidity sweep will happen and it will shoot up. Right now, looking at this pattern, we are in a double top pattern. If you look at, there was a double bottom right here opposite. Most of the time you will see when the double bottom pattern forms, you'll see double top in opposite of that one right away. So double bottom, double top. This is something similar we are facing right here. 457 is a strong resistance and the price is getting multiple rejection in this area. So this is what we are looking at. We are looking for recovery from this point, okay? And then we are looking for another drop, but we are not looking for 358. We are looking at 375, 380 area and then bounce up towards $500. Overall, I'm bullish on MSTR, okay? If you open a position at 403, you will not lose money on this one, okay? It's not something that your position will go in loss and you have to hold for 6 months. Even if it goes to 380, 10, 15 days, it will bounce right back, okay? Moving forward to Mara. Mara had a public offering on 23rd of July. So that makes us 8 days here and 3 days. So roughly 4 or 5th of August, the stock will start bouncing, which is 13 days to close $950 million offering. Right now it's not a buy in this area. The buy area sits at $15 right in this area. The previous fractal close to this area, this is where the buy is. But at this area, even if you want to trade, what we can do, we start a position right here with a short put. Because short put collecting a premium gives us more leverage to stay close to the bottom. Okay, so this is the area to short the put. 15 area, you will be buying the share. So right now we are not adding a position, but you can short the put if you want to. Okay, there is a little bit more downside. If you look at this death cross, what is happening above the zero line, means there is a lot of downside. The golden cross should, if let's say the golden cross comes here, what does it mean? It means the golden cross happening over the zero line is a weak golden cross and it will fail eventually. So what is happening right now, there is a lot of downside here, and that what makes it to drop to $15. Okay, so you will see the price dropping in a 15 area. Okay, so there is a lot of downside here. I will not be buying any position in this area. We have our call spread, which we continue holding. Eventually, you'll see the price drop and shooting up again. Moving forward to bull, there is a lot of money to be made on this stock. We have been trading this stock right in this area from right here. Okay, so from 12 some cent, I think 1284 was our entry. So there is a lot of money to be made. We are in wave 4 right now. If you look at clearly, wave 1, 2, 3, 4. Wave 4 pullback, and then there will be wave 5, which will close at 0.22. So 22 will be out, and then we'll wait for the little bit of retracement, and then moving forward towards the 32 area, the next wave. Okay, so right now we are in the trade, and we'll continue trading this one. We are holding this position. This is the kind of stock that you want to build your position, not to trade for overnight. Okay, not for a few cents. Every time it drops, you keep building your position. Okay, moving forward to Tesla, what we are looking at, we are still in the symmetrical triangle. If you pay attention right here, this one. So this is eventually break out of this symmetrical triangle. The price is looking to break out. We are getting closer and closer day by day. It's in a squeeze. Okay, right in this area. If this candle, I don't know what's wrong with the chart right here. Okay, so if you see that every time the price is coming down, it's getting rejected at a similar level right here. Point number 1, point number 2, point number 3, rejection, even on the top. 1, 2, 3 every time. So what we are looking at? This is Uno card candle right here. So the one candle dropped. Yesterday I mentioned there is a bullish engulfing right in this area. Now we have the green candle. Price is still pushing, but again you will see in a 330 area there will be a rejection. Okay, the symmetrical triangle will become tighter and tighter as moving forward. As you look from here, it's becoming tighter right in this area. Demand and supply getting smaller and smaller, and right here in next few days. Okay, approximately another 10 days, I will say, because that's the time range theory we are looking at. So another 7 to 10 days from now, you will see a major breakout on Tesla. And the breakout, we are looking at 30% either side. No one can say which side would break, but the setup is bullish, okay, because it's a bullish symmetrical triangle. This is the pole and this is the flag, like a bull flag kind of situation. So it's a bullish symmetrical triangle. So we are looking for 30% breakout either side, okay. We are holding a TSLA trade. If it's a bullish breakout, what will happen? It will break out 339, retest. We will not buy here, we'll not buy the breakout, we'll wait for the retest on this one. So 339, pull back and then shoot up. If it's breakout downside, that will be the fake breakout. Make sure you know that. If the Tesla breakout downside, that will be the last drop on this stock. If it fake out here, it might go to 258 and 246 area, but it will never stay there and it will shoot up. So generally, that's how the market fake out. First, before breakout, they will take liquidity grab. So fake out downside, grab the liquidity, and then shoot up towards $400. So if the Tesla breakout downside, that's your golden opportunity to buy. Do not miss that entry. If it break out upside, then you wait for the retest. Moving forward to CMG, we have started a position after we took the exit at 57.84. So we were waiting for this drop. We knew this will drop. Our entry was around $50. We took the exit at 57.84. Then we were waiting. At 44, we again took the entry right in this area. Okay, so now we are entering with short put. We can also buy the share. It's okay to buy this position right here. Again, now the price target will be, what's the price target on CMG? Let me give you the precisely. So if 44, 45 area, we are entering a position, we are looking for an exit at 345. This time we are looking for 55.07. So we'll be exiting right here before the neckline rejection. Okay, so right in this area, right here. So from 44 to 55.07, we are looking about $11 run on this one. Okay, so we'll be taking $11 and we'll be out at 57. Then we wait for the retracement. Most likely what will happen, we are also in the double bottom pattern. We are outside of the linear regression channel. We have a golden cross coming up on the MACD. We have RSI oversold. So definitely the stock is going to bounce from here. But most likely by the time it reaches to the neckline, what will happen? There will be a death cross on the MACD. RSI will be overbought and there will be a rejection on the equal high of the previous point right here of the double bottom. And again, it will sell. So it's not going to cross $58. Okay, so that's why we have to exit all our position at 55.07 right before the masses exit and the stock dump again. So 44 area, we are buying 55.07 will exit. All right. Moving forward to CRWV, right here, we shorted this. Any new IPO never participate in this run. That's a bad idea to participate and buy. What's the best idea is, once you have a top, short this. And we shorted and made money on this one. Since then, we were waiting for these price target, 113. Right here, it was written back. I don't know which date. Okay, so 113.94 and 105.48. This is what we were looking at. This is the area we are looking for. If you look at right here, on 29th of May, it was alerted. CRWV, nice. See you at 75.16. So this is where this stock can fall, 75 area. Okay, this is where it can fall, right in this area, right here somewhere. Okay, so 75 area, that's the maximum bottom, but anywhere from 105 and below, you can start buying this position. Okay, specifically in the group, there will be an alert on CRWV. We are not touching this before this previous low, which is 105. We still have another $4 to go. So as soon as we are at this level, this particular candle, you see the previous low right here, we'll start taking the position on this one. We'll not wait for 75. We'll do the hedge on this one. So any downside protection from 105 to 48, we will hedge our position all the way to 75. So 75 will be our bottom buy. And we are looking at nice run. The ribbon on the MACD oversold. Golden cross is about to come, but there is a little bit more downside. We don't see the golden cross yet. Okay, so there is another 4 or 5 days most likely, and that's when you will see the golden cross and the stock will bounce off. So what we are looking at, more downside here. Wait for 105. Before that, do not enter any trade. After 105, there, here, somewhere around 92 to 75, that's where the bottom is, and then the stock will bounce back. Okay, moving forward to Circle. Right now it's trading at 185. Again, very similar situation, new IPO. Again, we alerted for the new IPO, this one. Whenever you see a new IPO in the market, try not to participate in the bull run. Try to short after it has run. Right here. So 24th of June at 2:19 p.m. I alerted this will drop to 143.55. You like it or not? So that time the price was trading at 228.61 when I alerted, and since then we are down by 18.29%. The stock has dropped. What we are looking at again, 187, 143 is the price target that we are looking to buy this one. So there is a more downside on this one. Okay. So this is the price target we'll be looking for, 143.55. Till then, we'll stay out of circle. We are not looking to short here. We are not looking to buy here. Okay. So what we are looking at, this particular price, this is where this box was drawn long back. This is where the liquidity is found, under 172.10, right in this area. Okay. Somewhere here, it will stop falling right at this high right here, 137.85, 145 area. So this is where the buy zone is, right in this area. So there's a more downside on circle. Let it drop, but keep it on the watch list. As soon as the price reaches to our price target, we'll start buying. CMG I have covered. All right. Wix, I mentioned yesterday, you'll see the recovery on Wednesday. So Wix, I'm expecting the Wix to bounce tomorrow. Okay. If I look at on a smaller time frame, what's going on here? All right, smaller time frame, you have a double bottom right here if you look at. So on Wednesday, which is tomorrow, I was expecting, because this week is huge. Most of the big earnings are coming and volatility will shoot up. So what we are looking at is ready for tomorrow for the Wix for recovery. Golden cross, RSI positive, volume above the zero line, double bottom, target right in this area, 1840. So I would expect the Wix to shoot up tomorrow, most likely, and the market will be a little volatile tomorrow. Okay, so it's ready for the recovery on the Wix. So tomorrow was the day, Wednesday, that I was expecting. Moving forward, one more stock to cover. Okay, 1228 QuantumScape. I clearly mentioned this will tank. The company is pre-revenue. There is no product ready. There is no revenue yet. Okay, company has a healthy cash balance sheet. So what is going on here? Every time this stock will bounce, every time it will pull back. This is what people don't understand. They get excited when they see the bounce in the stock. Okay, this is how it has been behaving. Bounce off, slow decline. Bounce off, slow decline. Bounce off, slow decline. Bounce off, slow decline. Stock will come back to $6 area, right in this area. How do we see that coming in this area? NS interchange right here. If you look at this trend line, right in this area. I don't know what the hell is wrong with drawing on the trading view. So this is what we are looking at, right in this area, top of the previous high. Okay, and there was a NS interchange right here the before as well. So this green box right here is already marked by the chart. You see this on the top of this one. So this is where we are looking at 685, 683 area. This is where it's coming down. So even it's pulled back from 14, 15 area to 10, which most likely you will see, oh, it's a decent pullback and let me buy. No, there is a more downside here. Every time you see, we are in wave A right here. So what we are looking at, a little bit of bounce and then further drop into $6. It's not a buy before 685. Okay, you need to understand, doesn't matter even if a company is good, but there is no revenue. What will keep QuantumScape shooting? It's all retail frenzy right here. People don't understand. They don't look at, oh, there is no revenue. Oh yeah, they think, oh, it will go to 15. Now it will go to 20. Why the hell it will go to 20? For what? It will go to 6. There is one thing certain in the market. The market always goes down. Going up is not the guarantee. All right. So moving forward, we'll add the UNH as well on this one. UNH has the earning today, and it's very difficult to say how the market will react on the earning. 269. Okay. So what we were looking at when this broke down of this range, right in this area, we were looking at a possible double bottom in this area, 248, 250 area. Because when the institution buy, they buy at a similar level. So someone bought a 13 million share at this price the last time, around this area. Okay, 250, 254, 248 area. This is most likely the institution will again buy in the same area, which was 243.88, 248.88. So this is what we were looking at, possibly another equal low and shoot up. It's a good stock, but it's not your day-to-day trading stock. You cannot buy it today and try to look for profit in a 1 week time. You have to hold it for 3 to 6 months. I've been saying every single day, hold this stock for 3 to 6 months. This is a kind of stock you want to buy in your retirement account, your TFT, a TFSA, your 401k, IRA, and all this, and just forget about it for a few months. This is not your typical trading that you buy and tomorrow you exit with $300 profit. So ignore this completely in your normal trading account, Robinhood or IBKR or Charles Schwab or whatever account you're trading with. Ignore in that account. Put it in your retirement account, buy it and hold. This right now, the entire pharma industry is under scrutiny here. Okay, a lot of medication costs and Trump administration. There's a lot going on. What will happen? This entire thing will go away in 2 to 3 months, and that's how it works. If you remember, 3 months back, what was AI going through? Right? AMD was trading at $76. Nvidia was trading at $90. AI C3AI was trading at $18. Okay, Palantir dropped a lot, like this kind of drop. So 3 months back, it was AI which was under fire. Now it's pharma industry which is under fire. Moving 3 months down the line, it will be something else, maybe consumer or some online shopping or something else. Okay, this is how it works. The money keep moving from sector to sector. So it's not that, oh, pharma is going down the hill and now there is no future of pharma industry. That's utterly nonsense. Okay, just a few months, 2-3 months, and you will see suddenly the positive news will start coming in, and more regulation will ease, and you will see the clarity in a few months, and then the stock will start bouncing. Be it OSCR Health, be it UNH, you will see these stock bouncing again big time. All right, moving forward to Bitcoin, what we are looking at on the Bitcoin. Again, very similar situation. Still on the top, we are making uncertain candle. This is very. This is the area that there is no technical analysis working at. Until we have a clear candle, look at what's going on. Undecided, 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 all the way undecided. One confirmed candle, and that become the hammer. Okay. So we thought at this point, okay, we have a bearish candle, but that converted into hammer, and next day again we have an undecided candle. Then we have a Uno card, undecided, undecided. There is no clear candle like this one. We are in this kind of candle. You see this kind of, every candle is a dodgy candle, spinning top. Okay, or even if a red candle comes, that converted into hammer. So what is happening right in this area? Market is showing is a strong support and resistance in a similar area. It's refusing to go down and also refusing to go up. So what we are looking at, this trend line, the black line on the top, from the previous high to the current level. Once we break out this line, we'll be bullish. One candle must cross this one, or we must get rejected again and again and again and again and keep coming down. Okay, I'm not holding any Bitcoin position. I'm looking for 99,000, 98,000 area. Definitely again to add the position. Till then, I'm not adding. Okay, right in this area, 200 EMA bounce of 98,225, right here. This is the area that I'm interested in to see. Overall is bullish. This is the downside I'm looking. Okay, but even if it dropped downside, this will be the last drop. Okay, it is about to bounce to 139,000 and 153,000. Bitcoin is about to break out. I don't know when it will break out, unless we break out of this candle, which doesn't make any sense here. So if there will be a drop, that will be the last drop. Okay, then it will not drop any further. Okay, once it break out, straight away 139 and 153,000. So soon you will see 153,000. I have alerted on the stock tweet and Twitter as well. 153 is coming on Bitcoin. Okay, so it's very hard to say whether it's an accumulation or a distribution in this area. There is a lot going on. Price is almost from here, which was on 15th of July. Okay, you might see this fluctuation, $4,000 to $5,000 fluctuation, but practically, if you squeeze this a little bit, now look at what's going on. Price is flat since 15th of July until 29th of July. 14 days price has been flat in this area and continue squeezing. Overall, what we are looking at, because there is a golden cross about to happen upside of the zero line, that will be the weak golden cross. Golden cross should happen below the zero line, not above the zero line. Okay, RSI is still positive. There will be a golden cross, so there is a possibility one fake breakout on this one. Okay, and then fail. I will not add any position until under $100,000. Okay, and I'll keep monitoring. But it doesn't mean that even if it break out upside, we will miss the train. We are trading MSTR, we are trading MSTR.X, we are trading BTC.X, we are trading IBIT, we are trading GBTC, we are trading what other stock we are trading related to Bitcoin. We are trading Bull, which also has a exposure. We are trading Mara, So there are a lot of other stocks that we are trading which are relevant to the Bitcoin. So even if we miss the direct train of the Bitcoin, still we will be able to capture an enough profit on other stocks. Okay. So moving forward to Algo. So Algorand, I'm all in this time on Algorand. I'm looking for the first price target I'm looking for 0.3401, second price target 0.40, third price target 0.70, and this has a potential to go 10x. Let me tell you that. And I'm all in on Algorand this time, and I'm not looking to trade. Last couple of days I was trading back to back on Algorand, on Cardona, on ICP. I was buying and selling. This time I'm holding my position. Okay, what I'm looking at wave 1 and I'm looking for wave 2. And this wave 2 has completed right in this area. This candle completed the wave 2. So from here, wave 1, wave 2. We are in so where we are now, the wave 3 of 2. So wave 1, this green, wave 2, which is maintaining the high of the previous low. So right here, if I show you, so this is wave 1, this is wave 2, but this is 2 of wave 3 insider on a larger time frame. This is 1, 2, and 3. So we are in 2 of insider wave of 3. Okay, very bullish on this one. I'm holding my position. I'll continue holding for 0.40 at least. I'm not looking to cut, and even at 0.40, I will, once we reach 0.40, I will decide whether should I cut my position or not. I'm looking to hold for this one for long term now. There is a lot of money to be made on this one, even more than the Cardona and the ICP. There is a perfect setup on Algorand. Okay, moving forward to ICP 563. This is the area that you buy and you hold for 630 first price target, 722 second price target, and 962 is the final price target. It's not going above 9. So if you are holding, if you are buying, buy at this point and then hold for 630. We are out of Solana with the profit. So we added Solana at 142.84 and we took an exit at 187 right in this area. Then it shot up even higher. We don't care. So we are waiting for the little bit of retracement. We don't have a position right now. We'll wait for this area. Most likely 165 area will add the position once again. Till 165 will not be buying. So we are waiting for a little bit more drop on Solana. 165 we buy and then we hold for next run towards 253. So 165 to 253 will be the next range. Okay. I covered almost everything. Let me see if someone has posted any comment or anything. All right, all good here. That's all for today. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see the Discord member in the Discord with more precise detail on AI and Bull, Oscar. These are the stock that we are looking at now to add into our trading. So AI will be the next trade, Tempest will be the next trade, Mara will be next, Bull, CMG we are already holding, Circle and CRW we will be monitoring now. So this is the list right here after S&P 500. This is the stock. These are the stock that we are looking to trade for next 2 to 3 weeks. Okay, that's all. Thank you.